Could Africa emerge as manufacturing hub because of Asian hubs facing strong U.S. tariff? Washington's steep import levies on India, reaching up to 50%, have prompted Indian businesses to explore Africa as a production hub for exports to the U.S. The tariffs, imposed due to India's Russian oil purchases, have particularly affected the automobile and pharmaceutical sectors, forcing companies to find new ways to remain competitive in the American market. Africa's appeal lies in its attractive incentives, including tax holidays, customs duty and VAT exemptions, and special economic zones. Countries such as Ethiopia, Nigeria, Botswana, and Morocco are well positioned to benefit from India's shift, offering a viable alternative for manufacturers seeking to bypass U.S. tariffs. This strategic move underscores India's growing engagement with BRICS and Africa's emerging role as a key player in global trade. Apparel giants like Gap Inc., supplier Gokaldas Exports Limited, and premium garment maker Raymond Lifestyle Limited are capitalizing on Africa's favorable trade terms. With U.S. tariffs as low as 10% in African countries, compared to the 50% duty imposed on Indian exports, these companies are expanding their African operations. Gokaldas Exports Managing Director Sivaramakrishnan Ganapathy told Bloomberg in a phone interview, "We will continue to expand in Africa in case of 50% tariffs," highlighting their existing factories in Kenya and Ethiopia, which face only 10% U.S. tariffs. Raymond Lifestyle is also shifting production to Ethiopia, where labor costs are roughly one-third of India's. According to CFO Amit Agarwal, we can obviously shift some of the clients to the Ethiopian factory. Please subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos.